Now let's take a look at the modules we can use for the vulnerable service which we installed on Windows. Let's double check here again. Remind me in 4 hours and postpone. Okay. The name of the service, Manage Engine Security Manager Plus. Okay. If you type search Manage Engine, you will see a bunch of modules which has those keywords in it, but it's slightly hard to find it. Also, if you visit the exploit DB for that exploit, from where we have previously downloaded the application itself, you will find EDB ID. Let me show you. Open this URL, exploitdb.com, exploits 22094, Manage Engine Security Manager Plus. You will see this EDB ID, which is the exploit DB ID on the description part. Simply search this ID on Metasploit by typing search EDB 22094. Okay, this is the module we will use. Now let's open that module. Exploit multi HTTP Manage Engine search SQL injection. Okay, let's type info to get some details. You will see our port was already set by default. That's a good sign because we know that our application runs on that port. So let's set the R host by typing set R host 192.168.174.132. Okay. Now, if you type show payloads, you will see compatible payloads for this particular exploits. Well, the list is very long. When attacking Windows systems, using Meterpreter is very useful, as we mentioned earlier. Now let's take a look at them. Type run or exploit to trigger the exploit and send your payload to the victim. Type info and then type run. Bingo! Now we have this Meterpreter session opened. When you see this Meterpreter, you can simply type sysinfo or ipconfig to get some details from the remote system. You will see there are lots of interfaces on the target, and the system info is correct because that's a Windows 7. You can also type help to get some Meterpreter related help commands as well. Now let's background the session with typing background, and then let's double check it by using sessions or sessions-l, which is the same thing, to view the session. Let's continue with Meterpreter details in the next lecture.